Hello everyone. Hello Sir Rayjan Adalem. I'm Maurice Manuel from BEd 2C. Now I'm discussing about the influences of developments and socio-cultural dimension of learning. First, parental involvement. Parents who actively involve in their children's life, attending school events, helping with homeworks, and engaging open communication tend to foster better academic outcomes and social adjustment. The second is parental style and child rearing. Different parental style. Example, authoritative, authoritarian, permissive, can significantly influence child's development. Authoritative parenting with balanced one with their expectation is generally associated with positive outcomes. The third is prevention for specific experience at home. The resources and experience available at home, such as books, educational toys, and opportunities for cultural enrichment, play a crucial role in cognitive and social development. The third is peer influence. As the children grow, peers become increasingly influential. Positive peer relationship can promote social skills and academic motivation, while negative peer influence can lead to risky behaviors. The fifth is teachers. Effective teachers not only impart knowledge but also inspire a love of learning, provide emotional support, and create positive classroom environment. Their influences extend beyond academics and shaping students' self-esteem and social skills. And about my reflection is, as I reflect on the various influences on development and cultural dimension of learning, I realize how interconnected these factors are. Parental involvement set the stage, providing a foundation to support and values that shaping a child's early experiences. Parental style further refine these influences which different approaches fostering varying degrees of independence and self-esteem. The experience provided at home, whether they be education resources or cultural activities, enrich a child's understanding of the world. Their influences becomes increasingly significant as a children's grow, shaping their social skills and sense of belonging. And finally, teachers play crucial role is expanding knowledge and fostering a love for learning. Each of these influences interacts, which builds upon the others, creating a unique learning experience for every individuals. Recognizing the complexity of these dynamics is essential for educators and the parents alike, as we strive to create environments that support and nurture each children's full potentials. And that's all. Thank you so much.